Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from JP Bank to Mizuho Bank. First, open the JP Bank app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account before you continue. When the app opens, you will see the home page. On the home page, look for the option called Transfers. Tap on Transfers to move to the next screen. This is where you can send money to other banks in Japan. Next, tap on the option that says Sending Money to Unregistered Account. This option is used when the recipient is not already saved in your app. After tapping this option, the app will guide you through adding a new recipient. Now you need to enter the recipient's bank details. Select Mizuho Bank as the destination bank. Then enter the branch number of the Mizuho Bank account. After that, enter the account type, which is usually a regular savings account. Then carefully enter the account number. Take your time and make sure all numbers are correct. After entering the account details, you will be asked to enter the amount of money you want to send. Type in the amount and check it again before moving forward. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. After confirmation, the app will process the transfer. Thanks for watching.